there's rabbits and foxes here, so with any luck, I have a few. It's really windy, it's in my face, so it's good. We're looking downhill where they are, and sun's got about an hour and a half before it goes down. It's 4 o'clock now, so maybe right on dusk we might see some fox activity, and yeah, we'll get a chance to have a shot from there. Usually in that corner down here, that's where they sit out there, have a bit of a feed. But I'm going to start over this way and work my way down. Well, the situation's changed a bit. I was on that ridge when I was coming in, and I pointed down here, that's where they were, and I haven't seen any at all in this area. But when I was up there, the wind was blowing that way, straight in my face. I came down here, now the wind is blowing this way in my face. So I reckon what's happening is the wind is coming along this edge and swirling inside here. I don't know if it actually is, it's just my theory. But when I was here a couple of times ago, I've seen 2 foxes on these hills here. So maybe, I don't know, with any luck, I can whistle something in, but we'll see. But wind is in my face at the moment, nothing over here. I think anything will smell me and take off, but I'll just try and creep around the edges a bit more down that way. We'll see what happens from there. But it's full quiet. There's just nothing running around yet. Maybe when the sun goes down we'll have a bit more luck. See if there's any more next to it. Yeah, it's kicking around a bit. It's doing the gymnastics. Just down there. So I know that wouldn't have been the best footage because I had it on my chest around here, but I came around the corner literally 30 seconds after I was talking to you, and I could see it at about 40 meters. I was reaching up, having a feed, and then as soon as I went down, took a shot. I think it was about 40 meters, I don't know, but we'll see. There it is there. I took the shot from behind that shrub, just on the edge of that fence. It was over here. Some blood there as well. Reaching up, trying to eat something in there, I don't know. But it's done its usual gymnastics. Bounced down here. Head. There's some mites on it. Looks pretty clean actually. So, not bad, pretty happy with that. First one for the trip out this afternoon. See if we can get a few more in the bag. Make a decent little feed. I might even, yeah, I might actually tan this one up. Go get some more. So what I've done with this one, I've just taken the head off and hung it on this stump until I come back from down this way. That'll bleed out a little bit. You can see the blood on the thing there, so yeah, it just makes it a little bit cleaner when you're dealing with it. But yeah, getting the blood out of it as quick as you can, and then I'm not going to be too long anyway. It won't be sitting here long. Let's just hope that a fox doesn't come in and steal it, but I doubt it. See, a fox will shoot it. That's the plan anyway. Walked from there to here, saw nothing, turned the camera off, come round this tree, and right, there's a rabbit sitting right there. Subsequent, shot it in the face. Well, that was good. Might be a couple more, I'll come back and grab that in a minute. Shouldn't turn off the patrol cam, I'll leave it on for a minute and see. Blues are light too, so I'm gonna have to rocks. Well, sun went down real quick, in like 10 minutes or something. It just flew down. So I managed to walk all the way back from where we were, from where I got the last rabbit. And you probably can't see me because it's too dark now anyway, but I'm just going to head back to the car now. Just got the two, pretty happy with that. But got a night, torch set up for the rifle and that, which I can hunt with at night, but I'm kind of bothered really. It's a bit too windy as well. I think the rabbits are trying to stay in shelter a bit. But yeah, give it a crack next time. Come down during the week, something like that. Yeah, I've noticed some big warrens on the way while I've been walking around, which I know I'll sit on next time. Yeah, so we can get something that are coming in and out of the warrens and stuff. They're really well worn. Looking forward to that. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.